Going to do a strap Setu Bandhasana, so a strap half wheel or bridge. And we're going to use a bolster and a pillow for it. It's a really nice position. It's a gentle inversion and it's just a very nice one to focus on the legs and the chest and the belly. It's a very beautiful practice where once again we want to avoid too much strain on the neck. So neck is always, neck and lower back are also connected. So if one has a tendency to hyperextend, the other one will as well. And this is often to compensate the tension and the grief and the energy stored in the chest. So from a Chinese medicine perspective, we hold in that upper back the grief and the lung energy and the stagnation there. Also just the overall burden we feel on ourselves, which all has to do with a lack of flow in the emotional body. So when we're storing emotions, we're storing tension, and when we're storing tension, we're constantly in a fight with life. And yeah, these practices help us to flow more. So we can use the strap here around the legs. This will help us to really feel this compactness and presence. You can again put something between the legs to have this hip width position. And what we're going to do is this one is going to be under the chest. So this one is going to be under the chest and the hips. So I'm going to be laying like this with my chest off, and I'm going to be placing this one under my feet. Yes, it's kind of a challenge to come in. And then the belt is going to be around the legs. So to come in, I was demoing, so this is not how you want to, I was showing what we're going to do, but to go in, you first want to attach the legs, because otherwise we're going to lay down, come back up, and as we know, the transitions are essential. So put yourself in the right position, so the bum is going to be supported with the bolster and the head is going to be up. And if you know that you tend to hyperextend in the neck, you can put some extra support under the head, which will also prevent you from feeling strain in the lower back. And then we're going to put the strap around the legs, possibly something between the legs. Yes, you can flex the feet, or even if you want, you can put the feet also against the wall. There's a separate wall section, but this one could be practiced against the wall as well. And then we are going to lay down slowly and open the chest and just relax. So if you feel strain in the lower back, you want to put something under the head. This will make sure we're not overarching lower back and neck. And then the arms are next to the body, and we're going to become very still in this position. There's no contraindications except for the protection of the neck. But this position is very supportive. It's a very gentle inversion which helps the body to recover and the heart to relax more deeply. The most important part of this one, or the biggest point of attention, is going to be coming out. So we definitely not want to come and do kind of a push sit up to come out, and don't want any of that. Again, we can just gently roll onto the right side. Use your hands. You might want to bend the legs. Support. Use your core a little bit to come onto the side, and then you can just stay onto the side. I'm just going to turn. We want to lay on the right side, but I'm turning to the left to show you. You can kind of roll off the bolster, and then you can just stay. A next pose to follow with is just kind of relaxing over the bolster, or anything that help you to really settle and feel the after effects of every position, because it's the position, how it works through us, then our focus, our mental focus, to concentrate, to not attach to the sensation, and possibly even invite the opposite force and intention as we practice the positions. Thank you.